Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and integrate your WooCommerce store with AI tools. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official platform that we are using for WooCommerce. If you're using WordPress like me, just go to wordpress.com, open it up, and from this main page we can get started with accessing everything we need. If you have not already set up your WooCommerce store, you can go into the plugin section, and from the plugin section you can get started with setting up all the plugins that you need to run your store, such as WooCommerce subscription and so on. So once you have set up your store, now we can go and take a look at how to go and integrate it with AI tools. We're going to go ahead and open up the official WooCommerce website right here at WooCommerce.com, and then go ahead and open up the extensions marketplace at the top of the screen. That's going to look like this, where we can find all the extensions we can go ahead and use for our WooCommerce store. So what we're going to do is use this search bar in the upper right corner, and you're going to search for AI. So basically this is going to give you the result of all the AI extensions that you can go ahead and use within your store right here with WooCommerce. As you can see, this is an example of one, the AI shopping assistant. That's going to enable you to increase your sales with AI personal shopper chatbot. That's going to enable you to enhance experience and deliver smart products with ChatGPT. So if you want to use it, you can click the buy now option and select the plan that you want to use, 1 year, 2 year, and so on. So from there you can get started accessing the extension and applying it and integrating it with your store, whichever one you prefer. The store we have set up right here, and that is how it is done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.